Hi there, welcome to Brilliant Maths, where every student has an opportunity to learn and excel in maths. Visit our website, we have lots of resources for you, videos, lessons, exercises, tests, and so on. Today's lesson is on calculus and its differentiation. Come with me, let's go to class. We're looking at differentiation, and the example is, find the gradient of the curve y is equal to 3x plus 2 in one bracket and 2x minus 1 in another bracket at the point minus 1, 4. I've had some lessons on calculus before, differentiation, introduction to differentiation and all that. If you haven't seen that video or those videos, please look for them. We're continuing from there. What do we mean by gradient of a curve? To find the gradient of a curve is the same as finding the y dx, the derivative of y with respect to x. So for this particular question, we're supposed to find the gradient at a given point. So what are the steps? The first step is to find the gradient, which is the y dx, and then at that point, you put in the x value of the y dx at that point, and that will be the value of the gradient of the curve at that point. But first and foremost, we have two brackets. So we are supposed to expand the bracket so that we have a single function. So 3x times 2x will give us 6x squared. 3x times minus 1 will be minus 3x. Plus 2 times 2x will be plus 4x. And then plus 2 times minus 1 will give us minus 2. So next, we're supposed to simplify that, and it becomes, it's still y. Y is equal to 6x squared minus 3x plus 4x is plus x, and then minus 2. So that's our function. Y is equal to 6x squared plus x minus 2. So the next step is to find the gradient to find the y dx. The y dx is equal to, we all know how to differentiate, right? So 6 times 2, 12. The power of x reduces by 1. 2 minus 1, and then we have 1. Plus, if you differentiate x, you get 1. So our gradient is the y dx is equal to 12x plus 1. But at what point? At the point minus 1, 4. So at minus 1, 4, gradient or the y dx is equal to x is minus 1. So 12 times minus 1 plus 1. And what would that be? That becomes minus 12 plus 1. And that's equal to minus 11. So the gradient of that curve at that point is that. I just hope you'll be able to plug that in. The gradient of 3x plus 2 bracket 2x minus 1 at minus 1, 4 is equal to minus 11. Let's look at more examples on finding gradients of curves.